Good morning. This is the Global Stock Investor Show. Welcome, global investors. Today, I'll be going over the global banking sector, part 9. I'm going to give you guys 5 global banking companies. But before I jump into that, today is Saturday. The market's closed. Pretty much so, close of yesterday, I left off with 2.39%, which is $132.08. Pretty much this is my portfolio. Pretty much it consists of one about 95% stocks, 5% index funds. So as of March, I'm going to start expanding. I'm going to start chopping up my portfolio where it's going to be 60% stocks, 30% index funds, 5% bonds, 5% precious metals. And I'm going to show you guys like how I invest and all that. So I'm going to start investing 1,000. My story, I started investing pretty much, I started out with $1. I moved up to $5, $10. Then I moved up to companies I was real familiar with. Like I remember I bought 2 shares of Nike, 2 shares of Sony, and then 2 shares of Coca-Cola. And then after that, it was like game. I was just rocking and rolling. So that was on the. This is going on my 2nd year. I started investing the 4th of January 2018. And then I remember the first 6 months was nothing. And then after the 6 months, it just started to take off. So this is something that I noticed. I remember it peaked. I rode the peak all the way to October 1st, 2018. And then we've been in the bear market ever since the one day before Christmas. And then after Christmas, it's been pretty much back in the bull. So where we're at now is 2.39%. I currently own 70 global companies. 95% of my portfolio is in stocks, and then another 5% is in index funds, which now I'm pretty much going to start allocating 60% to stocks, 30% to index funds, 5% to bonds, and then 5% to precious metals. So, and I'm starting it small, nothing big, just pretty much just like warming up. It's pretty much like going into the gym, day one, you know, start start with 10 pounds. Second week, move it up to 15 pounds. Third week, 20 pounds. So what I do every week, I move it up 5 pounds or 10 pounds. So pretty much that slow strategy that I use in the gym is pretty much leaking over into the way I invest. But the way I invest is totally different from what I've seen in other YouTubers. So pretty much, I mean, I invest in all sectors. Pretty much my philosophy is pretty much buy companies that are gonna make your dollar work. Say you got $100, you put your $100 into a company, it's gonna go faster than anywhere else. So, and that's what I'm learning too, like learning what companies to buy. I already got a watch list. These are pretty much my 70 global companies, starting from Google 1,000 all the way down, as you can see, 300 range, 200 range. I got 100 range, 90 range, 80 range, 60 range, 50 range. So pretty much I'm comfortable all the way up to $1, all the way up to 1,000 range. So that's pretty much where I'm at now for as far as experience and being my first year, going on 2nd year. And then these are my watch list. These big ones. My next big one I'm gonna purchase is Amazon, but as you can see, the 3 above it, I'm gonna purchase those in due time. As you can see, it's pretty much these are on the watch list to buy. Pretty much 500, 400, 300 range, 200 range, 100 ranges. So these are already picked out, ready for me to purchase. So that's why they're on my watch list. They're watch, but they're there also to get they're first in line to get purchased. So that's why I have those guys waiting along. And then that's pretty much my strategy. What I'm gonna do, I know it's probably gonna seem all like tedious and boring, but since I'm new at the investing, I'm just every day I'm gonna give you guys a sector each day. I got 50 sectors. Instead of breaking them down like traditional sectors, how the Wall Street and stockbrokers and all that, how they break down sectors. I break them down even more detailed. So to help me out and to pretty much uh, cause less confusion, because this is my thing, is learning to break everything down, simplify it, and then now I'm starting to understand index funds. So finally, it was just so much. I've seen like the three ones that I'm investing in when it comes to index funds is iShares, which is owned by BlackRock. So I'm gonna buy one share of BlackRock, which entails purchases all the what you call it, iShares, and then I have SPDR, and then S&P, which is owned by S&P Global. So I'm gonna purchase S&P Global, and then index funds within the SPDR and the S&P. And the third is Vanguard. So pretty much Vanguard Group is private. So there's I can't purchase a share of Vanguard, but I can purchase their ETFs. And then coming down to bonds, 5% bonds. Pretty much with bonds, um, I'm investing in bonds ETF. It's a difference between bonds ETF and then actual bonds that you get from the Treasury. So I'm an investor in bonds ETF, which is iShares, um, SP, SPDR, and S&P, and then Vanguard. They have a bonds ETF. And then last but not least is 5% precious metals. Currently, I am buying bars of silver. My first bar I ever purchased is 5 ounces. My next one is going to be 10 ounces of a silver bar, and I think it's roughly going to cost me like 170. So these are just little purchases that I'm going to start training myself this year to start allocating my portfolio. So this is the year I'm gonna my goal is to hit 10,000 this year. I'll hit that way before. I think I'll hit that before the summer. Um, so I'll hit my 10,000 before the summer. I'll have a celebration. Also, another celebration I'll have is when I hit 100 companies. So once I get 100 companies mixed in with index funds and then bonds, definitely I'm throwing a celebration for that. Pretty much my reward for investing, and I'm making it fun. I mean, it's fun because as you can see, I'm in all sectors. Google, as you can see, that's tech. Lockheed Martin, that's defense contracting. Berkshire Hathaway, the B. This is insurance. 3M, McDonald's, Baidu in China, Nvidia, Apple, Facebook, Visa, Johnson and Johnson, United Technologies, Disney, Microsoft, Walmart, Waste Management, Procter and Gamble, Nike, Budweiser, um, what's this? Starbucks. This is a ETF, Sony, and as you can see, it goes on and on. So I'm not gonna. I'm gonna once I hit 100, I'm gonna break down my pretty much the companies that I have in my portfolio, and pretty much watching it grow. As you can see, so in my year, I've been up 2 point in 1 year of growth. I've been up 2.32%, and then all 2.39%. So year two, let's rock and roll. Okay, let's jump into it. This is the global banking sector, part 9. The first company is BBVA Frances. Okay, let's look at the 5 year. Nice upward trend. See it peaked around $25.90. Currently in a bear market, coming out of it. Market price 12.73. About BBVA Banco Francés SA engages in the provision of banking and financial services. It operates through the following geographical business segments: banking activity in Spain, real estate activity in Spain, Mexico, South America, United States, and Eurasia. The company was founded on October 14th, 1886, and is headquartered in Buenos Aires, Argentina. Global stock investing. The current CEO is Martin Ezekiel Zarich. Employees 6,082. Headquarters Buenos Aires, Argentina. Founded in 1886. Been around. Market cap 2.60 billion. Dividend yield 0.92. Buy 50%, hold 38%. Those two together more than 75%. The second global banking company is Agricultural Bank of China. Gotta spell that right first. All right, there she is. Okay, let's go to the 5-year, see how it's looking. Pretty much, it started to rise here. It peaked around about $15.85 in the beginning of last year. Currently in a bear market, trying to recover. Market price $11.88. About Agricultural Bank of China engages in the provision of international commercial banking and financial services. The company operates through the following business segments: corporate banking, personal banking, treasury operations, and others, and unallocated. The corporate banking segment provides financial products and services to corporations, government agencies, and financial institutions. Its products and services include corporate loans and advances, trade finance, deposit products, and other types of corporate intermediary services. The personal banking segment provides financial products and services to individual customers. Its products and services include personal loans, deposit products, car business, personal wealth management services, and other types of personal intermediary services. The treasury operations segment conducts money market or repurchases transactions, debt instrument investments, and holding of derivative positions. The others and unallocated segment deals with primarily equity investments. Agricultural Bank of China was founded on July 10, 1951, and is headquartered in Beijing, China. ACGBY is listed on the pink current market tier. OTC market data is provided by OTC Market Group, INC, OTCmarkets.com. Current CEO not listed. Employees 487,307. Headquarters Beijing, China. Global stock investing. Founded in 1951. Market cap 14.61 billion. Dividend yield 5.06. So it's more than 3.00. So nice dividend yield coming from China. There you have it. The third global banking company is Bank of China. Okay, let's look at the 5-year. Wow, look at that peak. Peaked at $17.38. Pretty much been baselining and trying to come out of a bear market. Market price $11.47. About Bank of China Ltd. Engages in the provision of banking and financial services. It operates through the following business segments: corporate banking, personal banking, treasury operations, investment banking, insurance, and others. The corporate banking segment offers services to corporate customers, government authorities, and financial institutions such as current accounts, deposits, overdrafts, loans, custody, trade, related products, and other credit facilities, foreign currency, and derivative products. The personal banking segment provides services to retail customers such as current accounts, savings, deposits, investment savings products, credit and debit cards, consumer loans, and mortgages. The treasury operations segment deals in foreign exchange transactions, customer-based interest rate and foreign exchange derivative transactions, money market transactions, proprietary trading, and asset and liability management. The investment banking segment includes debt and equity underwriting and financial advisory, sales and trading of securities, stock brokerage, investment research and asset management services, and private equity investment services. The insurance segment specializes in the underwriting of general and life insurance business and insurance agency services. The others segment comprises of investment holding and miscellaneous activities. The company was founded on February 5th, 1912, and is headquartered in Beijing, China. BACHY is listed on the pink current market tier. OTC market data is provided by OTC Markets Group, INC, OTCmarkets.com. The current CEO is Shen Shi-Quin. Employees 311,133. Headquarters Beijing, China. Global stock investing. Founded in 1929. Market cap 38.37 billion. Dividend yield 4.72. Nice, more than 3.00. There you have it. The fourth global banking company is Grupo Supervielle. I don't. There it is. Okay, let's look at the 5 year. Fairly new, as you can see, the straight line pretty much peaked at $32.75. Currently, as you see, red. So red and down, pretty much bear in a bear market, trying to recover. Market price $9.44. About Grupo Supervielle SA engages in the provision of banking services. It operates through the following segments: retail banking, corporate banking, treasury, consumer finance, insurance and asset management, and other services. The retail banking segment involves in personal loans, deposit accounts, purchase and sale of foreign exchange and precious metals, and credit cards. Corporate banking segment involves factoring, leasing, foreign trade finance, and cash management. The treasury segment includes financial risk management policies, bank trading desks, distribution of treasury products such as debt securities, and development businesses with wholesale financial and non-financial clients. The consumer finance segment consists of credit card services and loans to middle and lower middle income sectors, consumer loans, credit cards, and insurance products. The insurance segment includes insurance products with a focus on life insurance policies. The asset management and other services segment offers a variety of other service to customers, including asset management, microcredit, credit financing, mutual funds, and not financial products and services. The company was founded on October 8th, 1978, and is headquartered in Buenos Aires, Argentina. The current CEO is Jorge Oscar Ramirez. Employees not listed. Headquarters, Buenos Aires, Argentina. Founded in 1979. Market cap, $623.01 million. Dividend yield, 0.37. Buy 70%, hold 30%. Those two together, more than 75%. Last but not least is Commerzbank. Okay, let's look at the 5 year. Woo, as you can see, pretty much up, dipped in July 29, 2016. After that, steady climb, peaked around $17. And pretty much after that, currently went into a bear market. So in trying to recover, as you can see there, market price $7.95. About Commerzbank AG engages in the provision of commercial banking services. It operates through the following business segment: private and small businesses, customers, corporate clients, others, and consolidation, and asset and capital recovery. The private and small businesses customers segment is comprised of the universal bank services for private and small business customers, online securities transactions, and asset management. The corporate client segment includes credit products and financing solutions for mid-sized corporate clients, international corporations, and financial institutions. The others and consolidation segment is the staff, management, and support functions of the company. The asset and capital recovery segment handles the positions of the portfolios in the areas of commercial real estate and ship finance, as well as complex financing from the public finance area. The company was founded on February 26, 1870, and is headquartered in Frankfurt, Germany. Shout out. CRZBY is listed on the pink current market tier. OTC market data is provided by OTC Markets Group, Incorporated, OTCmarkets.com. The current CEO is Martin Ziegler. Employees 49,417. Headquarters Frankfurt, Germany. Shout out to Freiburg. Founded in 1952. Market cap $9.95 billion. Dividend yield not listed. Buy 52%, hold 39%. Those two together, more than 75%. So there you have it. Those are the 5 global banking companies, and with those 5 global banking companies, the total investment for these 5 comes out to $53.48. In conclusion, BBVA Frances, one share of BBVA Frances is $12.81. Dividend yield 0.92. Agricultural Bank of China, one share of Agricultural Bank of China is $11.85. Dividend yield 5.06. Bank of China, one share of Bank of China is $11.45. Dividend yield 4.72. Another high one. Grupo Supervielle, one share of Grupo Supervielle comes out to $9.47. Dividend yield 0.37. Last but not least is Commerzbank. One share of Commerzbank is $7.90. Dividend yield 0. Outro. Subscribe to the channel. Comment any questions or recommendations you have. Like if the content was inspiring for you. And share this information with other global stock investors. While you're slaying dragons, I'll be taming them.